Have you ever wondered what it takes to build a successful company from scratch? It's not easy, but it's definitely possible. And the story of Honda is proof of that. Today, we're diving into the incredible story of Honda, a company that has shown us the true power of dreams. Buckle up, because this journey is going to be a thrilling ride. Honda is a Japanese multinational corporation known for producing automobiles, motorcycles, and power equipment. The company was founded in 1948 by Soichiro Honda and Takeo Fujisawa. The early days. The story behind Honda begins with its founder, Soichiro Honda, who was born in 1906 in a small village in Japan. Honda was fascinated by machines and mechanics from a young age and often spent his time tinkering with engines and other devices. In 1922, at the age of 16, Honda moved to Tokyo to work as an apprentice mechanic in an auto repair shop. There, he honed his skills and developed a passion for engineering and design. He also began to dream of starting his own company one day. In 1928, Honda established the Honda Technical Research Institute in Hamamatsu, Japan, where he began to experiment with new engines and technologies. He was particularly interested in developing more efficient engines for motorcycles and cars. During World War II, Honda's factories were destroyed by bombing, and he was forced to start over from scratch. But he never gave up on his dream of building high-quality engines and vehicles. In 1946, he established the Honda Motor Company, and in 1948, he introduced his first motorcycle, the Honda Cub. The Cub was a huge success and helped to establish Honda as a leader in the motorcycle industry. It was followed by other successful models, including the Super Cub, which became one of the best-selling vehicles of all time. Honda's success in the motorcycle industry helped the company to expand into the automotive industry in the 1960s. In 1963, Honda introduced the S500, the first Japanese sports car. This was a turning point for the company, as it marked the beginning of their focus on innovation and technology. Honda continued to introduce new and innovative models, including the Civic, which became one of the most popular cars in the world. Throughout its history, Honda has been known for its innovative spirit and willingness to take risks. The company has introduced many groundbreaking technologies and designs over the years, including the VTEC engine, the CVCC engine, and the NSX supercar. Challenges faced. Honda's success has not been without its setbacks. In the 1970s, the company faced a major setback when they had to recall over 1 million cars due to faulty engines. This could have been the end of the company, but Honda bounced back and became stronger than ever. In the 1970s, an oil crisis hit the world, which affected the demand for Honda's products. Gasoline prices increased, and people began to demand more fuel-efficient vehicles. Honda responded by introducing the Civic, which became one of the most popular small cars in the world. In the 1980s, Honda experienced some quality control issues that led to several recalls and damaged their reputation for reliability. This setback pushed Honda to focus more on quality control and invest heavily in research and development. The competition was also intense, especially from Japanese rivals like Toyota and Nissan. These companies were innovative and developed new technologies, putting pressure on Honda to stay ahead of the curve. Despite these challenges, Honda remained committed to their dream. They invested heavily in research and development, developed new technologies, and focused on building strong relationships with their customers. Their commitment paid off, and Honda became one of the largest and most successful automotive manufacturers in the world. Present and future of Honda. Today, Honda is a multinational corporation with operations in over 150 countries around the world. They manufacture a wide range of products, including motorcycles, cars, power equipment, and aircraft. Honda's products are known for their quality, reliability, and innovation, and the company continues to be a leader in the automotive and motorcycle industry. In recent years, Honda has placed a strong emphasis on developing electric and hybrid vehicles, with the goal of having 2/3 of their sales come from electrified vehicles by 2030. Honda is also committed to reducing their environmental impact by focusing on renewable energy and reducing carbon emissions. They have set a goal of achieving carbon neutrality by 2050, and they plan to achieve this by transitioning to renewable energy sources and reducing the carbon footprint of their products and operations. Honda has also been investing in autonomous driving technology and connected car technology. They have developed partnerships with other companies, such as General Motors, to further their research and development efforts in these areas. In addition to their focus on innovation and sustainability, Honda continues to prioritize quality and customer satisfaction. They have been recognized for their high levels of customer loyalty and satisfaction, and they continue to invest in their customer support and service offerings. Overall, the future of Honda looks bright, with a strong focus on innovation, sustainability, and customer satisfaction. The company remains committed to their founding principles of quality, innovation, and customer satisfaction, and they continue to strive for excellence in all aspects of their operations. Conclusion. In conclusion, Honda's journey from motorcycles to a global automotive leader is a testament to the power of innovation, determination, and hard work. Their commitment to quality, sustainability, and customer satisfaction has established their reputation for excellence. Honda's story is an inspiration to entrepreneurs and serves as a reminder that with vision, determination, and hard work, anything is possible. If you enjoyed the video, please consider giving it a thumbs up and sharing it with your friends and family. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. And don't forget to check out our other related videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.